So in this PayPal tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to add money to your account on PayPal. So once PayPal's opened up, I just want you to go to the home screen right here. At the top where it says PayPal balance, I want you to go ahead and press on that. Once you're on this page right here, I want you to go ahead and press add money. Once you guys are here, you can type the amount of money you want to, add to your account. So it shows below 300, 325, etc. If you just press on the dollar number right here, let's say you wanted to add $25 as an example, I can go ahead and press 25 and then press on next. Once you're on this page right here, you can go ahead and link a bank account to your account, which you can transfer the money from over to your PayPal account. So let's go ahead and press link a bank account. So once you're right here, you can go ahead and select a bank that's right here. So for example, if you have an RBC bank account, you can go ahead and do that. And once you're on this page right here, you can go ahead and sign into your RBC bank account, agree and link, and then you're able to send money over from your bank account over to your PayPal account here on PayPal. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to add money to your account on PayPal. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.